Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Virginia Elbori, 42 years old, from Addition Hills, Mandaluyong City, Philippines. Happily married with 4 kids, aged 24, 21, 17, and 15 years old. My highest educational attainment, I'm high school graduate. My hobbies are cooking and playing to the children. My first work experience, I work in Saudi Arabia as a domestic helper. I worked 2 years and 2 months. I serve one couple. My duties are cleaning the house, ironing, cooking, and taking care of the 2 kids aged 15 and 9 years old. My second work experience, I work in Doha, Qatar as a domestic helper. I work 1 year and 6 months. I serve one couple. My duties are cleaning the house, ironing, cooking, and taking care of the sick children aged 15, 12, 8, 7, 3, and 1 year old. To my future employer, I'm a dedicated, hardworking, honest, trustworthy, and I promise to finish my contract, and I do my best to serve your family. And I'm willing to take good care of a newborn baby. I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. Thank you. God bless.